Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muniatul, metric number 2012792. Today, my groupmate and I will explain briefly about the casting process. Generally, casting is a process of pouring a molten metal into refractory mold with the cavity of the shape to be made and allowing it to solidify. When it is solidified, the desired metal object is taken out from the refractory mold either by breaking the mold or taking the mold apart. In this video, we will explain the step on how to cast a medal. The item that we will use as a pattern in this casting process is a medal. Firstly, we need to split the medal into two parts. Place the half part of the medal into the drag. Make sure to not place it too close to the drag wall. Apply the separating powder to make the pattern easier to remove from the sand. Next, fill in the sand until it reaches the top of the drag. Use rammer to press the sand and make it compact. Scrap the excessive sand from the drag to make a firm, flat surface.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Aisha binti Shahlan. My metric number 2018128. So I will continue to explain the next part. After we get the flat and firm surface, we need to flip the drag. Then place the second part of the pattern on top of it, and then we add the coat and apply the parting powder. Okay, this time the parting powder is not only needed to release the pattern from the sand, but it is also need to prevent two layers of the sand from sticking. Next, place the screw pin at the corner of the box. And we need to repeat the same process for this part by filling in the sand until it reaches the top of the coat. Make sure the screw pin stay in its position. Then after the coat full with sand, we need to remove the screw pin. Just by simply giving a tap on the screw pin and twist it, we can release it from the sand. We need to enlarge the hole by producing a pouring basin, and we can also add vent holes by pressing in a piece of wire. The vent holes will allow any air or small amount of smoke to escape. Then, split the coat from the drag. Remove the pattern carefully because the sand might break and it will cause a defect on the final project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nolena Safia binti Muhammad Nasir 2019272, and I'm going to explain the next step until the result. The next step is, when lifting the molten metal, rest it down a bit and then pour it into the hole slowly and carefully so it will gently flow down. Then let the mold solidify and cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then take out the casting from the drag and make sure to be careful when you break it out, as the casting might still be hard. Next, remove the excess aluminum if exists by breaking them off. Then give the medal a little touch for the finishing. Here's a tip. Don't throw the excess away, as we can melt it again and use it to make other parts. After that, keep all the equipment back to their right place. Make sure all of them already cooled down. Lastly, here the sketch of our final product. That's all from us. Thank you for the time. Hope to enjoy our video.